Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be putting you through how you can farm Zent Token. Zent Token is a native token of Zentry, right? It's a project that is still kind of like building, right? You can go over to their official X, check them out and see what they are building. You can go over to their Discord and just check them out, ask questions if you want to know more about the project. So how this farming work is, you basically perform social tasks, social engagements, and then you earn points, though they're not actually called points, they're called shards. So these shards could be possibly considerations for future rewards. So I'm going to be showing you how you can earn shards by getting involved in social engagements. So let's open Mrs. Browser. Alright guys, so we're going to go over to the engagement site. I'm just going to paste the link. So the first thing we're going to do is to connect our X account. So let's connect. Alright guys, so we're here and this is like the first engagement. We have to watch this video, then after that we have watched, we'll have to come and claim 1000 shards. So let's play the video. Okay, so then let's claim. All right, so we have claimed our 1000 shards. All right guys, so this is like your dashboard. This is where you see the amount of shards that you have earned. So as you can see, our 1000 shards from the YouTube task we just performed is yet to reflect on our dashboard. Hopefully it would reflect. And as you earn more shards, you advance from one level to another. So as you can see, before I can go past this level, I need to have accumulated up to 100 shards. Actually, you accumulate shards by social engagement on X. So remember that your X is connected, right? So when you make posts about Zentry, about Zent Token on your X account, you earn shards, right? So let's come this way, guys. How to play. So basically you create content, and in your content it's either you're tagging their X account, or you're using the keyword Zentry, or you're using the hashtag Zent, or you're using the hashtag Zentry. So just ensure that the posts that you make have any of these elements. Also, you can interact with tweets using any of these elements. If your post or your tweets get to be liked by their official X account, you will earn additional bonus shards. All right, guys, so that's basically it. So you want to go over to X and start making posts, start interacting using those key words, those key elements, right? So in addition, there could be tags or mission like the one we saw when we got here to do, right? So these missions and tags are actually meant to increase your shards earning. So you want to come and check if there are new missions, there are new tags to do in order to earn more shards. All right, so my 1000 shards from the YouTube tags have been credited, and it has advanced me from level 1 all the way to level 5, right? So if you want to know the numbers of shards that you have, so you can come over here and then come to profile, and then it shows you the numbers of shards that you have accumulated. You can also monitor your engagements. You can see the numbers of engagements that you have done, and then it shows your current level. All right, so your 1000 shards might take a little time before it reflects on your dashboard, right? So do not panic, right? Another way you can sort of like earn is by referral. So you want to come over here, invite friends. All right, so these are codes that new users will likely need to input before they can start farming. You can share your codes to your friends, to new users, and as many that use your code, you'll get bonus, you'll get rewarded in shards. So this is an unlimited code, possibly means that you can share the code to as many people as possible. And of course, it comes with 8% bonus in shards. So these are one-time codes, meaning that only one user can use any of them, right? And once they are used once, you get your bonus in 10% and you cannot continue to use them. Alright guys, so that'll be all. Thank you for watching the video. Please do ensure to drop your comments in the comment section. And of course, like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.